of the saddest things to me about dealing with any workers' comp case is that you're in so much pain. A person is in so much physical pain, and yet they have to fight for their rights, Joe. Right. And it's a necessary fight.
Well, you know, and one of the things that's kind of unique about workers' comp that I think is, you know, when you go to the doctor with your health insurance, you walk in there and they think you're hurting, they think you're sick, they believe you. That, you know, the process doesn't start with convincing the medical provider that you're injured. And I think that's something that happens in every workers' comp case where, you know, they go in there and they're saying, well, are you hurt? You know, something in, I think with Jim's call, the tests aren't showing a lot, you know, and they just don't know if you're hurt. But I mean, I think that's the problem. You kind of got to prove it, whereas most of the time people just assume.
Does it really matter whose fault it may be when in a workers' comp case?
No, it doesn't. Sometimes the fault issue is can make people mad. I mean, because what I'll say is, if it's the injured worker's fault, which a lot of times it is, they've made a mistake, they get hurt, and they're entitled to workers' comp benefits. However, if it's the employer's fault, and if it's and especially if it's the employer's fault with some safety issue that's been out there for a long time that everybody's known about, that's not been fixed, it's still the same workers' comp case. It's still the same amount that would be owed, the same medicals as it would be if it was the injured employee's fault. So a lot of times that can make people a little bit upset.